Hello and welcome. Today we test a relay with a digital multimeter and a 9-volt battery. On this board I have a relay and I'm not sure if it's working properly, and those are the terminals of the relay. That's how it looks like on the other side of the board. This is on a power supply and I want to try to make it work again. Those are the coil terminals and those are the normally open connections. So to test this relay you just need a 9-volt battery and you place the terminals of the battery on the coil and listen to this sound. When you put the battery on the relay, on the coil of the relay, it triggers the relay to turn on because there is a voltage and the current flowing through the coil. And a deeper way to understand if this relay actually works is to test it with a digital multimeter. Set the multimeter on the ohm measurement position on the lowest scale. Mine beeps when it's detecting short basically, and when you see the lower the value the better, because it means that there is a good connection. If the value is higher, it means there is resistance in the coil, in the relay, and that's not very good. I'm testing the other pair. This pair is also normally open, so now when it says infinite, it's open. When I put the battery, it shorts these two pins and there is current flowing through these relay terminals. Here I have an Arduino module of 2 relays that I want to test also, because I don't know, looking at them, they're super Chinese, these ones. And okay, they have some writing, but sometimes the Chinese, they have the labels wrong. So also to show you how this works, these are the pins, the terminals of the relay, and we're going to do the same test as before. So let's make sure it's like from the clicking noise, you can tell that I found the pins, the terminals of the coil that starts and stops the relay. And on the other side, it's mirrored, so I have to turn the battery around to do this. And we hear clicking again, which is a good sign. It means the relay actually works. Even if it's Chinese, it still works. I will test the continuity on the pins. So this connection here, it's for the normally closed. Normally closed means when the relay is not powered, there is a connection and current can flow. And normally open is this one, when you have to apply power to the coil to close the circuit and allow current to flow. When the battery is out, the circuit is open, and that's why it's called normally open. So by looking at this test, I can see that these relays are working pretty good, pretty well. Actually, they work much better than the previous one, which might be the reason why that power supply fails. And that power supply is of the VCR that I might make a video soon if I can fix it. One further test is to test the resistance between the pins of the coil. You saw the previous one had a low resistance, but this one has a much higher resistance. It's This you have to check with the specifications of the relay, and I've checked with that one, and they should be about 100 ohms. That's the ohm range, so that might be the problem. And this is how you test the relay. I hope you enjoyed the video and you can test your relay. You can do this on a relay from your car, which is even easier. You can have the diagram and you know which is the coil. But if you don't know, just put the battery wherever you can, and when it turns on, the relay clicks, then you know it's working. If it doesn't click in any way, you need to replace the relay. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.